What's up guys, it's Angel back with another video today. If you've never been to my channel before, my channel is basically about personal development, side hustles, how to make money from home, and things of that nature. This video is going to be about 10 tips to dealing with depression. I think this is something that people young and old go through, something that I've experienced as young as a teenager to even still now. And I think these 10 tips will be able to help you overcome that. So tip number 1 is going to be exercise. Exercising gets your brain stimulated and all that good stuff. It makes you feel better. Exercise is not only for your physical health, but also your mental health. That's something that you shouldn't go more than a couple days a week without doing. Tip number 2 is going to be putting positive information and music into your ears. If you're going through a depression, it's just, I know for me personally at least, I just want to listen to like sad music, put on some Drake and just sit in my feelings. But the best thing to do is to listen to podcasts, just to motivational information, any music that makes you feel happy inside. But I would still definitely recommend things like podcasts and motivational videos where people are speaking to you rather than the music, just to give you some more information and so you can hear maybe even other people's stories that you can relate to. Tip number 3 is going to be talk to someone you can relate to. So I don't want to just say just talk to anybody, because some people might not give you the best advice, or they might not actually care what you're going through. Some people are happy that you're going through it, but they just don't really have anything to say. So somebody maybe that you know that's went through what you went through and they've overcome it and now they're doing great. Maybe they could just give you some advice, and just someone to talk to so that you can let off your chest what's going on. You don't have to keep it to yourself. And I think that's something that you want to do when you're depressed. Just stay to yourself, not talk to anyone, not be around anyone. So yeah, talking to someone that you can relate to and they can relate to you. 4 is going to be try yoga or meditation. Being in a quiet, calm environment, doing deep breathing is definitely going to help you, just trying to find your inner peace and just remembering who you are as a person. Whatever you're going through that's making you upset right now is really only temporary, and just reminding you that things will get better, because it just gives you some time to reflect. It's going to be get some sun. Definitely essential for all of us as human beings. We don't want to stay locked up in a dark room all day, or just leaving and going to work and then coming back and stuck on your break. Whenever you can, find time to go outside and get some sun. 6 is going to be do not take long naps. I would say don't take naps at all, but try to avoid long naps. Taking long naps during the day is just going to make you feel more drowsy and tired. It's not going to make you feel more refreshed like you would hope. So trying to avoid long naps and doing positive, productive things instead. Okay, so tip number 7 is going to kind of go along with tip number 6, and that's going to be trying to stay out of your bed. I feel like when I'm laying in my bed all day, I just want to go to sleep and take a nap, and I don't get much work done, and it's not a good day. So either go on your porch, go in your living room, go to your desk, whatever it may be. Just don't sit and lay in your bed all day, because it's not going to help you get much done or get out of your slump. Number 8 is going to be find a way to express yourself. I wrote down either through writing, poetry, drawing, if you're into anything artistic like that, or music. Those are all great ways to try and express yourself, because keeping it all into yourself is the worst thing you could do. Tip number 8 is going to be educate yourself on the power of your thoughts. This is basically explaining like what you think about is what becomes your reality. So if you're constantly thinking about all these depressing thoughts and things like that, it's going to continue to manifest into your life. You're going to see those negative thoughts and negative energy come back to you even more. So if you're trying to replace those thoughts with positive things, with your dreams, your goals, and those things are going to in turn be manifested to you, and that's going to become your reality. If you don't let those negative thoughts control your mind 24/7, they won't control your life, basically. And all of it is really in your head. And no one has control of your thoughts more than yourself. And tip number 8 is going to be get up, get dressed, and get out. So basically, when you feel good, when you look good, you feel good. So get up out the house, get your nails did, put your makeup on, get your hair did, and get out, go do something, go be around people, wherever that may be. And yeah, when you look good, you feel good, okay? You feeling yourself, post your pic on the gram, and do you, okay? And those are my 10 tips to dealing with depression. Definitely something, like I said, that I've dealt with on multiple different occasions, especially recently, trying to get myself up out of my slump and back into my work. So I'm going to try and be back on here with more consistent videos. I just released my online course, which is basically explaining to you how to build your Instagram for your business, how to make money on Instagram. It's for beginners, pretty much. If you have no idea what an Instagram influencer is or how they make money, if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is or how you make money through that, or what a niche account is, how to monetize your Instagram, I go through several different steps. I explain how to organically grow your Instagram so that you can get followers who will be your customers. So I'm going to have the link below to sign up for my course. I'm having a sale right now. I need 10 basically testers who will take my course for half off and then provide me with your honest feedback, because it is my first course and I do want to know if there's anything I need to add or improve on the course, or if you loved it, I'm going to use your feedback as a testimonial for others. Follow me on Instagram at a Momtrepreneur's Guide. I'll have the name up here, and on Twitter at YesIt'sAngel, and follow my Facebook page, a Momtrepreneur's Guide. Excuse me. I'm going to be posting things like I post on my YouTube, personal development, how to side hustle, how to make money from home, and be keeping you updated on any courses that I post or sales that I have and things of that nature. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my last video talking more about how to make money from Instagram here.